We're going to continue today with our Home Pros segment, and we have our resident HVAC Home Pros in the house today. Colorado Discount Heating and Cooling are here today, and joining me is Colin Martyrdom. All right, Colin, you brought a prop, if you will say this, with you today.
Large one.
Let's talk about what we've got in front of us, but more importantly, really these hot temperatures, we're cranking the AC. Some of us are cranking it to a point and we're going, why isn't it working the way we want to?
Right.
What can you do for folks? What should we know?
Well, what's good to know is that homeowners can do a lot of things to help their own system before it starts to break down or to make it work more efficient, things like that. So if you want me to demonstrate a couple things.
Yeah.
Always safety first. We're going to take a look at our power disconnect. This is on the wall behind the unit. It's going to be hooked up with high voltage power. And on the inside, there's just a fusible disconnect that comes out and it cuts the power off to the unit.
Okay.
So we always want to take care of that. And that will stop any mechanical operation from happening. So what you want to do next is, you see all the debris on the unit?
Yeah.
That stops the airflow, which helps the efficiency of the unit. There's the fan that spins at the top. I think most people are familiar with that. Air comes in through the side, is discharged through the top, but if there's obstructions, such as leaves and sticks and debris from trees, we have a lot of cottonwood in the air. We have pets that are around in the yard that are clogging it up. We can just pick these things out of here and create free airflow for the coil so that it can breathe properly and cool properly and make more efficient air for you.
This makes my unit at home look really clean compared to mine at home is not good. But let's talk about, can we do this ourselves? Is this something my husband or I can do at home?
Yep, couple things. Like I said, take the power out. So if you're sticking your fingers in here, this fan's not going to spin. Just remove all all the debris and all that.
Okay.
Then you want to take a garden hose.
Okay.
And since the airflow is going from the outside in, because this fan's spinning and pulling air through the outsides, you don't really want to spray from this direction because it's just going to impact it through here. So you want to spray from the inside and try and get all the dust, debris, all the things you can't really reach on the coil on the inside, and wash it all down.
From the top down?
Yep, from the top down.
Okay.
And from the inside out.
Now, is this a service you guys offer that you will do for people at home?
Yeah, for sure. We have a whole maintenance package that includes cleaning up the area like this. We actually take the top off, get inside, take all the things that are inside, do a much more thorough cleaning. We'll spray it down with some lightly, friendly chemical that will that'll ooze down the coil and make it a little bit more easier to breathe, more than the regular homeowner can do. Also on the inside, we can take off a service panel on the back here, and I'll show you that there's electrical components that are in here that you don't want to touch.
Okay,
so
yeah, that's daunting.
Right,
there.
yeah, that's what we're going to do, is we're going to take a reading on your electrical components, make sure they're operating, and we can actually tell if they're going to fail in the near future just by how well they're operating at the time we take tests on them.
Oh, you said that big word, fail. What happens if this thing goes kaput before I have a chance to clean it out? We have to call you. What's the best thing to do?
Turn the thermostat off, because that's going to just stop it from trying to work, and sometimes trying to work can make it worse. Either pull that disconnect on your thermostat or on your breaker panel. You can just turn the breaker to off and give us a call, and we'll be happy to take care of any service issues you have.
Yeah, because this is the other thing. How quickly can you get out to someplace? Because this is, in weather like now, where it's 90 plus degrees, and even 100 degrees, we can't go long without some AC.
Right.
A lot of folks, it gets a little dangerous.
So we spend all spring recruiting and building up our team for the summer. We're usually a same day, next day type of appointment.
That is even better. Okay, now why should people give you guys a call and not someone else? I mean, obviously reliability is a big thing, right?
Yeah, and we never have an after hours charge. We charge $69 for a call out fee, whether it's Tuesday afternoon or Saturday night. So I think that's a good reason to use us. We're trying friendly to the community, and we're not looking for the dollars right there. We want to help out and have a good partner as a customer for the long term.
Colin, you always make it seem so easy. I appreciate this, and I hope my husband's watching right now. Okay, thank you so much. If you want unparalleled heating and cooling service at unbeatable prices, call the Home Pros at Colorado Discount Heating and Cooling today. They are licensed, insured, and bonded, and they offer 24/7 service at no extra charge. And for the first 5 callers that mention Mile High Living, you'll get a free home maintenance package. Give them a call at 303-566-1090 or visit their website at calldenverhvac.com. They paid for today's segment.